ओम श्रीमात्रे नमः। सर्वेभ्यः नमो नमः। मम नामधेयः आञ्जनेयस्वामिः। अद्य वयं नवमकक्षायाः संस्कृतपाठ्यं ज्ञास्यामः। प्रियछात्राः, dear students, first of all I want to ask you one question. Generally we see so many birds. Which birds are mostly comes to our house surrounding places? They're in black color. You can say, tell. Good. Crows. Very good. Crows. Today in this lesson also, okay, we may know about. We are listening about crow. What is the specialty of crow? Generally, you may think they don't have any specialty like that. You may think, but in this lesson there is a specialty for the crow because it's a special crow. Why? Because it is having golden feathers. So it's a golden crow. So golden crow means it's not a special only, no. So let us know through this lesson. Understand, children? So gold means what is called gold in Sanskrit? Swarnaha. Gold means Swarnaha. Crow means Kakaha. So what is the name of the lesson? Tell. See here. Gold means Swarnaha. Crow means Kakaha. Total lesson means Swarna Kakaha. Whenever this word is separately Swarnaha, we write as Swarnaha. But combined word, no, then Swarna Kakaha. Swarna Kakaha means what, children? Golden crow. Swarna Kakaha means golden crow. Are you understood? This is the title of the lesson. Okay. Now let us come to the lesson. Please open your textbooks. See in our textbooks, all of you. Okay. How like I am reading, you also follow me and read in your minds. Okay, children. See there. Swarna Kakaha. पुरा कस्मिंचित् ग्रामे एका निर्धना वृद्धा स्त्री न्यवसत् ओके तस्याच्चैका दुहिता पुत्री विनम्राः मनोहरा चासीत्। एकदा माता स्थाल्यां तण्डुलान् निक्षिप्य पुत्रीम् आदिदेश। सूर्यतापे तण्डुलान् खगेभ्यो रक्ष। किञ्चित् कालानन्तरम् एको विचित्रः काकः समुद्दीय तामुपाजगाम। Okay, say again, children. Pura kasminchit grame. Pura means olden days, means prachin kal. Kasminchit means once. Kasmin plus chit, see here. Kasmin plus chit, kasminchit. Kasminchit means okay, once. Okay. Grame means village. Nirdhana means very poor. Nirdhana means very poor. Okay. Vardhastri means old woman. Nyavasat means living. Ni plus avasat nyavasat. Ni plus avasat nyavasat means living. Afterwards. Next, what are some words, combined words? Tasyachaika. Tasyaha plus cha, tasyacha. Tasyaha plus cha, tasyacha. Cha plus eka, chaika. Urdu sandhi. Okay. Eka means one. Tasyaha means for her. One daughter is there. In that meaning it is coming. Next. Tasyachaika. Duhita means daughter. Duhita means daughter. Putri also. Okay. Next one. Manohara means very beautiful. Ekada means on one day. Next. Mata means mother, you know already. Tandulan means plate. Okay. Tandulan means rice grains. Tandulan means rice grains. Sthalya means plate. Okay, children. Next in the lesson topic, Putri means to the daughter. Adidesh means ordered. Okay. Surya Tapa means what? Sun heat. Tandulan means already I told, rice grains. Khagaha means bird. Okay. Kinchit Kalanantara means after some time, after a while. Okay. Right. Let us see now continuation. Pura kasminchit grame eka nirdhana vruddha stri nyavasat. Pura means once upon a time, there was a olden lady. Once there was an olden lady was living there. Understand? She is having a daughter. How is she? She is a very beautiful and very clever girl. Or understand, children? Next one. Up to here completed. So, tasyaha cha duhita vinamraha manohara. Duhita means girl, daughter. How is she? Vinamraha means very respectable and very clever and very beautiful girl. Okay. Ekada mata sthalyam. Ekada means on one day Mata means who is Mata? Mata means mother. Okay, the girl's mother. Girl's mother means woman. Which woman? Old woman. Okay, old woman. Stalyam, Tandula Nikshipya. Stalyam means already I told. What Stalyam means plate. Okay, what he is doing means her mother take a plate with some rice grains and bringing to her daughter. Okay, daughter, and tell to the daughter what. Okay, listen, my child. What Putrim Adidesa, how she is ordering means Surya Tape Tandulan Kagabhya Raksha. Okay, keep this plate on sun heat and see them carefully without eating any birds. Okay, like that she ordered. Order to whom? Order to her daughter. Understand up to here? Next, what happens, Sivans? Okay. Suryatape Tandulan Kagebhya Raksha. Kinchit Kalanantaram Eko Vichitraha Kakaha. Samuddiya Tamapajagama. Whenever he told to her daughter, afterwards he went out. According to her mother's order, what she is doing, girl, what she is doing, according to her mother's order, she took that plate and keep into the sun heat. Okay, keep it on the sun heat. Keep it at sun heat. She is very. She is observing whether any birds are coming or not. Okay. Unexpectedly, one of the crow came there. Crow came and directly want to eat. Directly eating the rice grains. Whenever she saw the crow, immediately she shocked because it's a special crow. Already I told, no, already we discussed, no, what type of crow? Say gold crow, very good. Golden crow. On account of golden crow, she shocked to see because it is having golden feathers and silver eyes. Okay, she never see such type of golden crow. First of all, in her life, she is seeing. So that's why she shocked. Understand? So what she did, even though she has to follow what her mother has told. So that's why, oh crow, don't eat, go from here, like that. She is trying to remove them. Understand? No, remove from there. But she couldn't. Why? Because it doesn't listen. Whose words? Girl words doesn't listen. Crow doesn't listen. Understand? So even though he is telling, she is ordering, but crow is continuously eating and laughing. Are you understanding, children? See again what happens. Putri Madidesa Surya Tape Tandulan Kagabhya Raksha. Kinchit Kalanantaram means after a while, after some time. Eko Vichitraha Kakaha Samuddiya. One of the golden crow came there and Tamapajagama came to eat rice grains. See next paragraph. Naitadrusaha Suvarna Swarnapakshe Rajata Chikshuhu Swarnakakastaya Purvadrustaha Naitadrusa Na plus Yatadrusa Naitadrusa. Such type of. She never sees such type of golden crow. So that's why she shocked. I told, no. What happens afterwards? Tam Tandulan Khadantam Hasantancha Vilokya. The golden crow is eating and laughing to her words. But finally she couldn't do anything. So that's why what she is doing, she could not do anything to the crow. So that's why simply she is crying. See again. Tam Nivarayantim Sa Prardayat. She couldn't control the crow. So that's why what she is doing, Sa Prardayat. Respectively, she is telling again, respectively to the crow. Generally, in the world also, even if we say anything harshly, nobody can listen. Generally, whatever we want to say, when I say respectively, everybody can listen and everybody can give respect. Why? Because take respect and give respect, no, that's why. So whenever, even though he is ordered, but even bird also didn't listen. Whenever she tells respectively, then even crow also stopped eating and talked to her. Are you understanding, children? What is the situation going on here? Okay, good. See, children. Tandulan ma bhakshya. Oh dear crow, please don't eat tandulan. Ma bhakshya, rice. Do not eat rice. Ma bhakshya. Ma means don't. Ma bhakshya means don't eat. Okay, ma bhakshya, don't eat. Madiya mata adiva nirdhana vartate. Madiya mata, my mother is Nirdhana, very poor. My mother is very poor, so please don't eat my rice. Okay, like that she is requesting. So what happens? Mata ativa nirdhana vartate swarnapakshah kakah provacha. Whenever she requested, immediately stop eating. The crow stopped eating and started to talk to her. What? Siyama. Ma Ruda, oh baby, Ma Ruda, don't cry, don't cry. Simply it is telling. Suryadayat prak gramat bahihi pippala vraksha manutvaya gantavyam. You do one thing. Okay, I am eating your grains, no. So, if you come tomorrow to my home, which is outside of your village, I will give you something instead of your rice. Why? Because until now, I ate your grain, no, rice, no. So tomorrow, instead of your rice, I will give you something. So what you have to do? Tomorrow you must come to my home. Where it is? It is outside of your village on a tree. Which tree is here? Holy fig tree. That is what tree? Holy fig tree means Aswatha Vraksha in Sanskrit. People Vraksha also. People pet in Hindi. Okay, na? So Aswatha Vraksha. Holy fig tree means Ravi Chettu. Okay. My house is on a holy fig tree. So you should come there. You must come there. Like that it is telling. Understand, children? So what happens? See next time. Aham Tubhyam Tandulamulyam Dasyami Praharshita Balika. So tomorrow I will give you something. Whenever it told like that, immediately to listen that words, the girl has very happy. Girl has got very happy. Until before she cried no. Okay, then she is very happy. Not only that, Nidrama Pinalabhe. Night also she is thinking about that. When I will tomorrow morning I should go. So think like that, and even she couldn't sleep also at night. Why? Because she is waiting for the sunrise. Understand? No. Why? Because the next morning she want to go to Golden Crow's house. Okay, like then next morning she started going to Golden Crow's house, where it is outside of the village. Okay, he went to that tree and waiting there for Golden Crow. Okay, children. Okay, right. So then, whenever he went there, that time house was closed, windows are closed. After some time, Crow woke up and opened golden windows of the house. Then immediately saw the girl. To see the girl, immediately it is telling, "Oh girl, you came here, very very good. You come. So you can't come up now. So I will make you arrange some steps. Which type of steps you want me to arrange? You want golden steps, copper steps, or silver steps?" Like that, it is asking. Who is asking? Golden Crow is asking. Okay, children. Then she told, "I am a poor old woman's daughter. So I don't want any gold. So I want copper steps enough." Like that she replied. Okay, see her honesty and confidence and okay, selfless. It got very happy. Immediately she arranged golden steps only for her. Okay, through golden steps he came up to home. Afterwards, whenever the girl came her home, observing all the things what are there, to see all the things, she shocked her. She shocked because all the things are very very valuable things. She never sees such type of objects and things. Not only shocking, she tired also. Okay, to observe her situation, Golden Crow immediately want to give some breakfast. Then Crow is asking again, "Okay, in which place you want me to arrange breakfast?" Like that it is asking. Then she replied again, "I am a poor woman's daughter, so no need to take golden plate. Simply what enough for me? Copper plate only enough. Are you understanding?" Then she brought, even though she is asking copper plate, but she arranged golden plate only. Okay, while she is eating, the breakfast also very tasteful, very delicious. She never ate such type of breakfast. Understand now? Then what happens after completed eating? Golden Crow started to bring three boxes in front. She brought three boxes in front of her and kept there. She tell what? What does she tell? it is a little box. Second one is a big, some medium box. The third one is big box. Among these three boxes, which box you want? Whatever you want, you can take it to home and you can enjoy. Like that, Golden Crow told. But even though she gave offer, she is thinking, what? I am a poor woman's girl, so I don't want to take more. Just I want little more, little one enough. Like that, she thinks like that and take a very little box. Okay, little box and went home. After go home, whenever they open, what happened? To see the box, immediately they shocked because very valuable diamonds are there in the box. To see the diamonds, they shocked and got very happy. Afterwards, okay, in a few days, they became rich people. I understand, children. After that, this matter announced totally. Everybody knows this matter. There, who are they? Some ladies also came and asked them how they became rich people like that. Okay, after that, one of the lady was there who is having one of the girl. She is very selfish. The selfish lady got the information and sent her girl to same tree. Are you understand, children? The next morning, one of the selfish lady sent her girl to the tree. Which tree? Golden Cross polyfig tree. It is, which is outside of the village. Then she is also waiting there. What happens? Again, Crows woke up and opened the windows, golden windows, and see. Afterwards, she is inviting to come up. How, like, which type of steps you want me to arrange for you? Whether golden steps, copper steps, or silver steps. But she is asking why? Because she is a selfish girl, no, selfish mother's girl, no. On account of that, she is also became selfish. So I want golden only. No need to silver and copper, like that replied. But immediately she couldn't arrange gold. Arranged only copper steps only. Again came up. Afterwards, again tiffin also arranged, breakfast arranged. After eating, again 3 boxes they brought to give her. Which box you want me to give? Again, while keeping breakfast, she is asking one thing: in which plate you want me to give you breakfast? Whether in golden plate, or copper plate, or in silver plate, like that. Again asking. Then what she tells? I want golden only. I don't want remaining. Like that. Directly she asked me. Ordered. Then he understood. Golden Crow understood her feeling and arranged copper plate only. But she didn't offer any golden plate. Okay. After that, after completed breakfast, she brought 3 boxes, which are little one, some medium one, and the third one big one. 3 brought and asked her, which one you want? Take it and go home, like that. Then she asked to take a big one only. I want big one only. I don't want little one. I want a big one only, like that. Asked and take it to home and open. Whenever they open, along with her mother, on seeing, they shocked, because what are there? There are also so many diamonds, so many gold coins, golden items. No, nothing. Simply one of the big black cobra is there. Are understanding, children? Then to see them very terribly afraid to see, and very terribly, what happens? Immediately closed the box and felt away. Are understanding? So from this they could understand why their selfishness only made like this. Understand? No, their cruelty, their selfishness only made like this. Then from this story, what can we understand? See here. So greediness leads to disaster. Durasa dukkaniki chetu. Okay, children. So we also be happily. We don't be greedy. We have to be satisfied. Understand? No? Whatever our hard work, according to that only we will get result. Okay. Doing is less, earning is more, means don't think like that. It makes a big problem. I understand, children. So we have to believe our hard work and honesty. Okay, children. So you also be like that. Thank you, one and all. Good. Let us meet in the next class. Okay. Good. Thank you.